y'all, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you all how to make crawfish egg rolls. To start off, you just want to chop up the holy trinity along with some green onion. Then you want to add some melted butter to a pan, which will be about 2 tablespoons, and you want to let that fully melt before you add all your chopped seasonings. For those who don't know what the holy trinity is, that consists of chopped celery, onion, and bell pepper. And you just want to add all that to the pan along with the chopped green onion, and you want to saute that for about 5 minutes or until it's about like kind of brownish. You know, you don't want to saute it for too long because you don't want it to burn. Next, you want to add about a tablespoon of minced garlic, and after that you want to add the 12 ounce of peeled crawfish to your pan. And also you want to make sure that you add all the juice from the packaging to the pan. This will give everything the flavor. The flavor is coming from the crawfish, so you don't want to throw away that juice. You want to add it to the pan. Next, you want to add all of your seasonings. I use cayenne pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, chef Prudhommes, and I also added some Creole Seasoning with a little bit of black pepper. So after you add all of your seasonings, you want to saute this for about 5 minutes. That way everything is all mixed in together and all the seasonings are mixed throughout the crawfish mixture completely. Next, you want to add about 2 cups of cooked rice, and you want to saute this for about 2 minutes following, and just, you know, mix it around. Make sure everything is mixed really well so all the seasonings are distributed throughout the mixture properly. Next, you want to add about 2 tablespoons of the mixture to a egg roll wrapper, or what do you call this, a wrapper? Yeah, you know, the egg roll wrapper. You want to add 2 tablespoons to the egg roll wrapper, and you just want to, you know, roll them like you normally do. The directions are always on the packaging. And also you want to make sure you tuck in the ends so that way none of the food comes out of the egg roll while you're cooking it. So once you make sure you tuck in the ends, you're going to add the egg rolls to some oil, and you're going to cook them until they're golden brown. I noticed that you are better off cooking the egg rolls on a low fire, because if you cook them on a high fire, they tend to burn, which causes the egg roll to develop some just burn too fast. They cook too fast, and then they start to get little bubbles on them. So you can get a smooth surface on the egg rolls, you want to cook them on a low temperature. So I noticed that cooking it on like a medium to low temperature cooks the egg roll better. Also, you want to try to just add 1 egg roll in at a time, or just 2. Don't try to add multiples, like over 2, because once you do that, the oil temperature drops, and this will cause the whole egg roll cooking process to just be much longer, and the egg rolls will just cook too long. Like the whole process would just take too long. So just try to cook 1 egg roll at a time, and make sure you just, like I said, continuously flip the egg roll. That way it can actually be golden brown on each side. Also, after you cook the egg rolls, make sure to get rid of the excess oil. You place the egg rolls onto a paper towel. And this is the final look. Thank you all for stopping by my channel, and talk to you later. Bye.